Welcome to KSRI's Academy. And now let's get into the Rally News headline analysis of 24th October 2021. Himachal's women farmers expand their horizons without hurting nature. So Himachal Pradesh lo women farmers they're moving towards non-chemical farming, low-cost natural farming, which is not only providing them livelihood but also empowering them. And the state's Prakriti Kheti Kushal Yojana, it was launched in the year 2018. It promotes climate resilient Subhash Palekar natural farming, which is also called as zero budget natural farming. So zero budget natural farming, it is a chemical free agriculture. And it is mainly dependent on Indian traditional practices. So over 1.5 lakh farmers have been trained in natural farming in the state so far, with sustainable number of women participants. So e-training program, women participation it is considerable. This practical training in natural farming is helping rural women in Himachal Pradesh gain confidence by supplementing family incomes. The Women's Farmers Group, the Prakrit Kheti Mahila Kushal Kisan Samiti, is doing natural farming individually on the land measuring around 12.5 bighas. So bighas is a land measurement term. It is used in northern India. And the SPNF technique has helped them grow multiple crops like pulses and vegetables alongside apples for regular income from the same field. So this technique this training practice it not only encouraged them to grow apples but also vegetables and pulses for their regular income. Rising trade tensions point to India's China conundrum. So trade ties have boomed to record levels during the past year. In the wake of crisis along the line of actual control, which erupted last summer, with China's unprecedented mobilization of troops. So, manaki line of actual control border crisis unnapatiki kuda mana trade anedi it's booming, it's reaching record levels. So, India's imports from China reached $68.4 billion, up 51.7%, a reminder of continuing dependencies on goods that India has imported in large quantities over the past 2 decades. So, manam last 2 decades nunchi kuda large quantities lo import cheskuntunna goods evevante electrical machinery, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and medical supplies. Medical supplies anevi India has bought more from China than any other country during the pandemic, from ventilators to PPE kits. The trading relation appear to have remained largely immune to border crisis, but relations have changed dramatically or on the investment front. So, the broader crisis unnapatiki kuda our trade relations are being immune to it. Elanti changes raled in trade relations lo, and investment front lo kuda China inka India madhyana dramatic changes vachai, like curbs on Chinese companies remaining, and the telecom sector where Chinese firms have been kept out for 5G trades. 5G trades nunchi Chinese companies ni manam bayata pettesam. So the massive inflow of Chinese funds into the tech sector has also been stopped. Chinese tech sector loki Chinese funds ni kuda aapesam. And India's message to China has been that business cannot be usual while peace on the border remains disturbed. So border lo peace lenappudu mana business kuda it cannot be usual ani cheppi India China cheptaru. Business has, however, boomed with no signs of slowing down, even as the border crisis shows no signs of easing. Russia, China hold first joint patrol in Western Pacific Ocean. So Russia and China warships అనేది first joint patrols conduct చేశారు in the western part of the Pacific Ocean on October 17 to 23rd. So Moscow and Beijing have cultivated closer military and diplomatic ties in recent years at a time when the relations with the West have soared. So West world relations బాలేనప్పుడు Russia and China military and diplomatic ties develop చేసుకున్నారు. New light on how insulin signaling affects tissue health. So insulin anedi is a hormone and it is secreted by B cells of the pancreas, and it usually regulates the glucose metabolism. However, later studies have shown it plays a larger role in helps in growth and maintenance of tissues. And later studies improved that insulin plays a good role in growth and maintenance of tissues. And insulin signaling అనేది it is an important mechanism, and ఇది biochemical reactions ద్వారా conveys information about the variability of insulin and the necessity to regulate the glucose in the blood. So insulin signaling ki two pathways ఉన్నాయి, which are AKT and ERK. They together balance metabolism and growth. And the study was done on the liver cells of mice. And the experiment design mimicked both normal levels of insulin in a healthy individual and abnormal levels of insulin that is associated pathophysiology. This was achieved by treating cells with low fasted concentration of insulin, high fed concentration of insulin, very high hyperinsulinemic levels, pulsatile fasted insulin followed by fed insulin, and continuous or repeat exposure to fed insulin levels. These studies they reveal the components, but the network properties and robustness of signaling it has not been assessed by varying insulin inputs. And the study also found that the inputs from the fasted insulin levels created a memory that improved the fed insulin inputs. And Ranjit Padinhetri and Shantanu Kadam from IIT Bombay collaborated with the TIFR group on the mathematical modeling or simulation part of the study. Cases of environmental offenses rose in 2020, but there's a catch. So, National Crime Records Bureau for 2020, the Crime in India report is released, and Deen Prakaram, the number of cases registered for environmental related offenses has increased when compared to the previous years. So, 2020 lo 61,767 cases registered, whereas in the year 2019, only 34,676 cases have been registered, and in the year 2018, 35,196 cases have been registered. So the cases are in the rise. 2017 వరకు offenses under Noise Pollution Act and the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act were not included under environmental related offenses, but 2017 నుండి ఎప్పుడైతే ఇవన్నీ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేశారో అప్పటి నుండి కేసెస్ అనేవి మాక్సిమం అవ్వడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.